What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here. In today's video, I will be doing spark plugs on a 2014 Dodge Challenger. Without any delay, let's get right into today's video. Now, to start this off, I'm just gonna first take off engine cover. Put that to the side. Again, I haven't worked on a car like this before, so it looks pretty easy. From my vantage point, that side looks much easier, but we're gonna take out the airbox, possibly the intake manifold up here. So let me grab my tools. So as soon as we take off the air intake, we have access to, I believe, 1, 3, and 5. Cylinder 1, 3, and 5 on this side. Now to do this side, the manifold is gonna have to come off. And yeah, I can see how that's gonna be a pain in the butt, but yeah, so pretty much one side is easy, the other side is pain in the butt. Well, not a pain in the butt, but it's not that difficult. First, we're gonna disconnect the electrical connector from the ignition coil. Pretty much easy, just press. Okay, we got the first spark plug out. Tip is kind of a little bit dirty, but I don't see anything too concerning here. But the customer wanted replaced, and they're getting misfires, so this is what we're gonna do. First one out, the next one in. Okay, first brand new spark plugs going in. Let's see. We first got it threaded by hand a little bit, and then you start using the ratchet. Never use power tools when you're doing spark plugs. Even if it's just a little bit of never use power tools. I see people do that all the time, and I'm like, yo, you can really break something really bad, so never use power tools. Okay, it doesn't need to be threaded. Like, you don't have to put too much torque on it, just a little bit, and that's it. Okay, and just like that, we're done with the first one. And we're doing the second one. Now, if you're wondering why I didn't put any dielectric grease, it's because the customer didn't buy one. And I don't have one on hand. So it should be perfectly fine. But that is the situation. Spark plug number 2. Looks just the same as number 1. Spark plug number 3. Exactly the same as the other 2. Okay, bank 1 is done. It's time to do bank 2, which include taking out this manifold, throttle body. And oh, I forgot to mention the size of the socket, spark plug socket that I'm using. Let me show you guys right there. There's a 5/8, and I'm using a 1/4 inch extension. So next thing to do is to remove the manifold, and the size that I'm using is a 5/16. It's like a 8mm. Yeah, 8mm or 5/16 to take out these nuts. Freaking bee trying to sting me. Okay. Next, these ones are in like a tricky spot. This comes off all the way. I don't think it does. It just comes off enough, I think. Could be wrong, but let me just leave this. And then we take out the connector for the throttle body. Okay, then put the phone down. Alright, yo, finally got the manifold off. That was a pain in the ass, but let me go over some things that you guys might want to know if you're doing this job, because you're going to need a 13mm wrench, a short 13 and a deep 13mm socket as well, because the 2 brackets that hold up that's on the side of the manifold, which is this one and this one right here. Taking out the bottom nuts, those are a pain in the ass. You're gonna need a ratchet with a swivel head, or you would have to need some type of swivel, because there's no way for you to get down there, and it's like deep in the crevices where your hands can barely fit. So yeah, so now to do these 3 and put everything back together. Okay, this is spark plug number 4. This one looks like it's a little bit of carbon buildup, or a little bit of oil on that, just a tiny bit. But cylinder looks fine. The reason why I have this bubble wrap here is to cover up the cylinder so no dirt get into that. So yeah, on to the next one. Spark plug number 6, completely dry. Looks about normal. On to the next one. And finally, spark plug number 6. So you guys can see, let me zoom in. Looks fine. Okay, we're all done, and it's time to put everything back together. which is the easy part. All right, let me show you guys what I was talking about. Now I'm putting the manifold back on, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down there, 6, 7. There's 7 of these 8mm bolts, and then there's another 8mm nut that goes right there, and then the other 2 are there and there. Oh, I forgot to mention there's 2. There's one here and one underneath there. I just put that one on. So okay, and the job is completed. Everything bolted down. And last thing is the engine cover. Let's give it a fresh start and see what we can see. All right, we're gonna take it for a quick test drive, see if everything is fine, and then return it to the customer as a job well done. All right, never been in this type of car before. You can't see through these things, man. Look at the windows, man. Come on, look at the mirrors. Come on. I sound like an idiot. You can't see nothing. What the hell? How do people drive these things? And his steering is off. It feels so disconnected from the road. Yo, I've never driven one of these. It feels mad heavy. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Just taking it around the block real quick and then returning it back. Oh, jeez. The road. Okay. You got some power though. V6. John got some power. Alright, the cops were right there, so I had to bring the phone down, but pretty much we this way. Oh sheesh. Oh snap. Yo, I just stepped on the gas and this joint just like, oh, it screamed. Let me lower the window. Wait a minute. Let me lower the window. Ooh-wee. Oh, it got some tune to it. This thing got some power. It's heavy though. You can literally feel the weight of this car. This thing is a boat. We're gonna bust a U-turn right here real quick. Take it back. Okay, so when you step on the gas, you give it some gas, the exhaust got, give you some. You get a little bit of exhaust note, even though it's pretty much very quiet. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that test drive is done. The car is running smooth, no hiccups, no misfires, no codes whatsoever. Again, thank you guys. If you're tuning into this video, thank you for watching. If you learn anything, just leave a comment in the comment section. Like the video, share the video with family and friends and whoever could be helped from this video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.